How to remove an object from photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Snapseed application on your phone. Once you're here, choose any photo. On this page, you can use all the edit options below to edit this photo however you like. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on Tools. Here, tap on Healing in the Retouch and Transform section. Now zoom in and mark the area over the object you want to remove from the photo. As you can see, the object has now been removed. After that, tap on the tick icon below. You can repeat this to remove the other objects in the photo as well. Once you're done, tap on the share icon at the top right corner. Then, select Save Copy. You have now successfully saved this photo to your device. Following these steps, you can easily remove an object from photo on iPhone.